Is it time to buy or sell Didi Global SADR stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Didi Global SADR. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th day of August in the year 2025, our system has ranked Didi Global SADR as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 7.75. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 16.41% since we first designated Didi Global SADR as a buy candidate 13 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 1.26% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is anticipated. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 19% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between 2.5% and 29%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 15 2/3%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of nearly 29% to a gain of just under 19% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $4.29 and $7.17. Our latest daily update for Didi Global SADR includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Didi Global Inc SADR stock, after gaining 4.51%. The Didi Global Inc SADR stock price increased by 4.51% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, rising from $5.77 to $6.03. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it can maintain this upward trend or take a short break in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 7.16%, with a day low of $5.73 and a day high of $6.14. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 12.29% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also increased on the last day, which along with the price rise is a positive technical indicator. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, bringing the total to 5 million shares exchanged for approximately $28.1 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $6.24, and the lowest price was 32 cents. Currently, the price is 3.37%, or 21 cents. Below the 52-week high of $6.24, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Didi Global is progressing on multiple fronts that could create short-term volatility and long-term potential. This week, Didi's Brazilian unit, 99, initiated legal action against rival Kita in São Paulo for alleged trademark infringement and unfair competition. This development may create pressure on sentiment regarding its presence in Latin America and introduce legal costs or operational uncertainty in the near future. On the other hand, Didi Mobility has signed a letter of intent to implement UOTTA battery-swapping electric vehicles in Mexico. This marks a significant move towards greener, asset-light services that could enhance international revenue and unit economics over time. Recent financial results indicate revenue growth and improving profitability, while management has expanded share buybacks and is seeking external capital for a self-driving unit valued at $5 billion. These strategies could bolster confidence, accelerate the rollout of autonomous technology, and enhance profit margins, though they may also lead to dilution if capital raises occur. In the short term, expect fluctuations driven by headlines related to litigation and operational updates. In the long term, the stock is well positioned to benefit from global expansion, electric vehicle partnerships, and advancements in autonomous technology. provided that execution remains on track. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of July 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned DIDY a buy rating along with an initialize action. On Monday, the 7th of October 2024, Macquarie reported giving DIDY an outperform rating accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September 2024, Macquarie again rated DIDY as outperform with an initialize action. Analysts have provided a general neutral rating for Didi Global SADR stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also assign a neutral rating to the stock. The following signals have been identified for Didi Global SADR. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Didi Global Inc SADR stock is receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, support can be expected at $5.68 and $5.43. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August 2025, and the stock has since risen by 21.08%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is recognized as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Buy signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average. Buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal from 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average. Sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Didi Global/Qatar. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.92 and $4.90. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this could lead the stock to drop to the next support level. In this case, Didi Global Inc SADR finds support just below today's level at $4.92. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.90 and $4.87. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 410 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 7.16%. During the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Didi Global SADR, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. Moving on, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on August 21, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at approximately 436 ten-thousandths of a dollar. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Didi Global SADR. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Didi Global SADR is at $6.12. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Didi Global SADR encounters its first support level at $4.92. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.82, reflecting a decrease of 3.52%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. We have identified a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom that occurred 13 days ago. Is Didi Global SADR stock a good buy? Didi Global Incorporated SADR displays several positive signals and is currently experiencing a robust upward trend. As the old adage suggests, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a favorable option at present levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we expect Didi Global SADR to open lower by approximately 6.33 cents and commence trading at $5.97. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.